Alrighty then, another day, another dime. I know it's been a while since I put anything up, but here's the latest thing I've built. What this is basically a pump house kind of thing. Originally, I put an electric water heater up on a porch of my portable building because I was planning to build this hot water heater, passive solar hot water heater, and phase the electric hot water heater out. But I'm having problems with this. As you can see, it gets condensation on the inside. And I can't figure out why. It's not because it's leaking. I think I'm just not able to seal it up correctly. And it's just causing problems. I've got an idea to try next time it gets completely clear. But who knows when that's going to be. So I've accepted the fact that I'm going to be stuck with an electric hot water heater for a little while. And I'm tired of it freezing up in the winter. So I built a cabinet out here. Just kind of like a little shed. And I took the hot water heater off the porch and put it in here. This is a little 7-gallon hot water heater. And it provides just enough for me to take a shower. I am planning on getting a little bit bigger one. But you can see right now it runs, this comes in from the rainwater catchment up through the passive solar hot water heater, through the rocket stove backup water heater, into the electric water heater, then back into the cabin. Yes, it is kind of convoluted, and I plan to simplify it as soon as I can. I've bought a kit of spray foam that I plan to use to seal this up. A kit of the spray foam stuff that I plan to use to seal this up. So that is what I'm starting on today. Now I'm not going to finish it, so I'm waiting on a heavy duty power strip that I'm going to run through there to the electrical plug, because I did not think far enough ahead to put an electric plug out here for heat and the hot water heater, or to run one into the pump house, cistern house over here. So right now I'm about to try out this spray foam kit. So we'll see how that goes.